Good news sa mga OFW natin dyan all over the globe. 3 days ago, I started Front Row Dragons International. And 3 days after, meron na tayong Canada, Guam, and Washington, D.C. So sila ngayon yung mga tinuturuan ko at minimentor ko how to become successful this 2024. This will be fast and this will be so effective. I can make people successful in 3 years, 3 taon. Okay? I don't want to overpromise. I don't want magsabi na isang bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin. Hindi ako magsasabi sa inyo na, alam mo, pag sumali ka dito, next year, mayaman ka na. You can do that. Pero gusto kasi, yung, alam mo yun, yung conservatively speaking, 3 years, you'll be successful with the system that I have. Now, it's 15, 30, 45,000 pesos lang. It doesn't matter kung ano gusto mo dyan. Pero ito is parang, ano ko to, parang give back ko to sa mga kapwa ko OFW because I am an OFW.